In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Zapier to Claude. Now first, you want to go to the left here, click on Customize, and then connect your apps in the middle of your screen. Then look for Zapier, just like that, click on the plus button to connect, and then it's going to take you to Zapier's site, and in there you will have to essentially just sign into your Zapier account. I'm going to use Google, but you can use Facebook, Microsoft, SSO, or email, whatever sign-in method you usually use for your Zapier account. And of course I use Google over here, as you can see. And then you have to wait for this to actually establish the connection, a few seconds. There we go. Then it's going to ask you which account you want to allow connection with. I'm going to select this one, click on allow. And when you do this, as you can see, it says it's been successful. This page is going to auto close. It's going to take you to over here where you can see it says connected to Zapier. You can close this. You can go to connectors. And here you can see Zapier has been connected. You can see the tool permissions. And in the top right, click on the three dots, view details. And from here, you can basically see that it's been now connected and you can use it. So that's how we do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.